Today I'm going to be doing a huge summer haul. I absolutely love clothes. I'm obsessed. So I wanted to show you guys everything that I kind of bought for this summer. We'll start with this cute shirt. I feel like I can style this in so many different ways. I can wear this to like the beach, or I can go like skateboarding in it, or just whatever. But it is honestly the cutest floral button-down shirt ever. So let's just keep up with the floral things, I guess. I bought this other cute one. Oh my gosh, look at it. They just make me so happy. I swear, I love them. Yeah, I love it. This is another floral. Yes, please. Oh my gosh, it is so freaking cute. Like, I am obsessed with skirts and floral, and everyone made fun of me for buying this, but I honestly really love it. It's just so freaking cute to me. I love it. I love the little ruffles at the bottom. I'm so gonna wear that to the beach, like when I live in Hawaii, you know? I bought this, and it has been my favorite shirt ever. When I first bought it, I didn't try it on because of COVID, you know, but on it actually is really cute. So I bought this other shirt at Target. I had to get it a size bigger because that's all they had, and I really, really wanted it. I didn't want to leave without it. Yeah, when I saw this, I was like, oh my gosh, I want to go on a date in this shirt. Like, I don't know, it just seems like a really fun, cute, like, shirt to wear to a date. I don't know why I thought of that. I don't even go on dates, but like, yeah, I think it's so cute. My sister tried stealing it from me. This dress is the dress. Target has it. I want to go on a date in this dress too. Like, this dress is so freaking beautiful. Like, look at this. These cute sleeves with the bows on the top. The buttons coming down. And guess what? It has freaking pockets. Like, this is the perfect dress. Oh, my bucket hat. Okay, so the next thing I want to show you guys is my favorite item that I have seriously bought. And when I put this bucket hat on, my vibe changes. I'm not even kidding you. I become cool, I swear. I really do. But it's actually reversible. Honestly, there's nothing cuter than this. H&M has been killing it. I love the cut. It has a slit and the sleeves are kind of puffy. It's this beautiful Urban Outfitters dress. This sleeve is my favorite. I want my wedding dress to have this sleeve, I promise. It's really fun and cute, so I like it. Okay, so another dress. I'm obsessed with dresses and skirts lately. It's just so beautiful. Yeah, I love it. Like, oh my gosh. It goes really long. Oh, this is another dress I got. I love the big sleeves. I love it all. I call it the color pencil dress because I feel like it looks like a bunch of color pencils. I don't know. Like, it's not rainbowy. It's color pencils, you know? The thing about dresses is, like, you just throw a dress on and you're ready for the day. Like, you know, you put some jewelry on and some shoes and boom, you're out. And then it's like with pants, you have to like figure out a whole outfit, and it's just like not the vibe. So I kind of get like the Britney Spears vibes from this. I don't know. I bought this at Levi's. I don't know if it's a big men's shirt or if it's supposed to be like a woman's dress, but whatever the case is, I like it, and honestly I'm gonna rock the heck out of this. Some cute boots or something, like, I'm all for it. I don't know why. I think it's so cute. Oh, I got this beautiful dress. I wore this to a wedding recently, and it looks so beautiful on. It has a slit right here. If you don't see this shirt and think of me, like, I don't know, it's so cute. It's like my ice cream shirt. This reminds me of J.C. Marie Smith. I don't know, I feel like she would buy something like this. I love clothes that just make me feel so cute. I don't know, and when I put this on, I feel really cute in it, so that's why I like it. This shirt's like really trendy right now, like this scrunchy thing, but honestly I don't know if I would wear it, but I wanted to try it out. This vintage skirt. I love skirts in general, and thrifted and vintage, so this is just me right here. My other skirt, I got a white one. This one's really cute. I love this like buckle thing that it has right here. I bought this really cool shirt. It's neon, and why not? I don't know, but it's really cute. Look at these. I bought lemon pants. Oh my gosh, these are so freaking cute. Look at the bottom, like, so cute. The next are these really cool like beachy pants. I don't really know what other way to describe them, but they are just adorable. I don't know, I feel like it's just so beachy and like yoga-y. I don't know, like, gives me some yoga vibes, like meditation vibes, and it's just kind of basic. I bought a tie-dye sweatshirt, so this is actually my last shirt that I have. It's kind of like whatever you want it to be. I think I'm gonna wear it as a really cute shirt, but I can also wear it as a really cute headband if I want. I think the print is really stylish, and just really different and out there. Yeah, I'm excited about this. And then this I got, it kind of gives me like Outer Bank vibes, and I love that. So I don't know, I really want to like wear, I don't know how to even like do it, but I really want to do this with it. And this one's 100% silk. The next item is this cute freaking purse. Oh my gosh, like how cute. I can just like, I don't know, it's just so cute to me. And this next purse, I don't think I would actually wear this out. That's how a lot of my clothes that I buy are. I'm like, I don't know if I would ever wear this like actually, but I know I could wear it for Instagram pictures. So if you guys want to see more of me, then make sure to subscribe, and you guys can also follow my Instagram. It's Jocelyn_LUB. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Hope you guys have a beautiful, lovely day today. Yeah.